Florida Days delivers a breezy fusion of top tropical rock, surf rock, and
Surf rock.
reggae, anchored in
Uh,
sun-soaked Florida vibes. Think laid
right.
back grooves that pair perfectly with coastal sunsets. That's what it says about them. Flora
Right.
Days, Flora Days, Florida
I
Days.
thought they I thought they were more like I would say reggae rock.
Well, I don't know. I don't think
Surfer
they're
rock, whatever
reggae.
you want to call it, I
I would
guess.
call it surf rock or yacht rock.
Not rock,
Yeah.
yacht rock.
You don't think it's yacht rock?
No.
Absolutely.
Yacht rock is Jimmy Buffett crap.
It's yeah,
Like
but
that.
these guys all I think all of these guys could fall into the yacht rock. Not all